My name is Awangku Harraz Aiman, and I'm representing my group, which consists of Amizool Azzizi, Mohamed Adib Aiman, and Syukrie bin Wahab. We are going to review our selected operating system, which is Solus Budgie. First, I'm going to introduce what is Solus Budgie. Solus Budgie, in other name, is Solus 3. The Solus project team has released Solus 3 Linux distro. It's the third edition after Solus adopted a rolling release model last year. Solus 3 is powered by Linux kernel version 4.12.7, which promises improvements to AMD, NVIDIA, and Intel hardware. A notable change in Solus 3 comes in the form of support for Snap's package management system. Okay, next I'm going to give you a review about how its desktop looks. The desktop looks clean and neat, and if you want to customize the desktop, it's really easy. Just open the apps and search the Budgie settings. This is how it looks like in the Budgie desktop settings. You can change its styles. There have a widgets menu, icons, cursors, and you can even change the theme into a dark theme if it what you likes about. You can change it just pressing it, and the menu looks dark. And this is a desktop menu. Desktop icons. You can add a shortcut to your home or directory on the desktop. Network servers. Add a shortcut to your local network servers on the desktop. Okay, now we are going move to fonts. If you want to change the window title font, just click this and select the one that you prefer. For my preference, I would like to choose the Roboto Thin Italic and click the select. Okay, if you want to go to change the other setting, for example, this is a Windows. There you go, a button layout, change the layout of buttons in application title bars, attach modal dialogs to Windows, automatic tiling, and disable undirection of Windows. Now this is interesting part. The bottom panel, you can change it. You can add applets. For example, if you want to add a clock to the menu, you just click add applet, and it display the menu of how time it is now. And if you go to the setting, you can change the position of the panel. For example, the default position, it is on the bottom. If you want to move it to the left corner, you just click left, you move it onto the left. The size of icon, you also can change it. It becomes bigger. This is automatically hide the panel if you don't like it visible to the desktop. You just put it. This is the setting. Transparency. If you want the transparency to be a transparent, the panel to be transparent, just click dynamic, and it will become transparent. Dock mode is just like the menu on the Apple. You just click it, and it becomes like this. You can also create a new panel if you like it. Now, when it comes to the installation of app or move files, there is no command prompt in the Linux OS or Solus. First, if you want to move files, or you want to copy files, you want to install an app, you must first open a terminal and input a command to install a specific application that you want. That is the major differences between Solus with another operating system. Okay, next I want to talk about the default apps that is pre-installed in the Solus operating system. For example, the internet browser is Firefox, and the office productivity tools, if you want to type something or to make a new document, you don't use Microsoft Office here, but you use a LibreOffice Writer. I'm going to show you how it looks like. It's quite similar with the Microsoft Office, but with a different user interface. Its function is quite the same. You have copy, paste, you have fonts, but the selection of fonts is different from Microsoft Office. For example, there is no Times New Roman in the LibreOffice Writer. Okay, last but not least, if you want to shut down, you don't go to the start menu, but the shutdown option is available at the panel. This is the panel, which I changed into a dock style, and the shutdown icon looks like this. You can also log out from the user, lock, suspend, hibernate, restart, or shut down. Okay, if you want to log out, the logout menu looks like this. This is its lock screen, which tells the name of the user and the input password.